Welcome, 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 everybody. It's your girl, Delores, just a pink girl in her pink world, here on YouTube for episode 8 of Delores Loves You, the gift guide to a happy Valentine's Day. This time, we're going to be making custom covers for your songs, okay? We're going to do them two ways. It's going to be easy and fun, okay? And I want to welcome you and let's get over to our Canva studio, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're over to Canva studio. There are going to be two ways in which we're going to do this. The first way, we're going to make the 1080 by 1080 PX. Okay, so what you're going to do is you go to the custom size. Okay, so that's the PX is already set. You're going to do 1080 by 1080. Okay? So that's an Instagram square post. Just showing you how to do custom sizes if you got to do something. Now, this will be made for like how you can make playlists in YouTube. You can make them private. You can give them a cover to them. We're going to do that for here. You also can make playlists in Spotify and do a cover, and there will be this too. So that way we can make our own little custom cover, make it cute, save it, put it to that, and then we'll do the more advanced way in a minute, okay? So let's go back. You already know what we're going to talk about in the search bar. It's going to be love, okay? So let's look to eliminate getting the wrong size, we're going to filter it out. We're going to go to orientation square, go back, click enter. We're going to go into photos. We're going to go to, let's see, I like this one right here. Right there. Set as image. We're going to go to uploads. I'm going to type in Delores. We're going to take her, background remove. We're going to put her in the center. This is just a different thing. We're going to go back to elements. We're going to go back to love quotes. Okay, so not photos. I want to see if we can find anything as far as all. Let's go to, that's videos. Those are frames. I'm trying to get between either. Let's see. Um, let's go for, uh, uh, let's go. Love is in the air. Kind of goes with the balloons that we went into earlier. We're going to keep the same thing, I think, except for making that I'm going to edit it. Edit it. We're going to edit it. Shadows. Do outline. It's going to be black. But I want to make it less obvious. So it's going to be right there. That's going to be my little quote over in the corner. I put it on this side. Love is in the air. Okay? So love is in the air. That's how I can now download this, save it as a PNG. I think that's the best one for you because when I tried it, it worked better that way. And I've also used this for Spotify and uh, YouTube playlists because of the podcast. So this, I like PNG, gives me a better quality. So that's the way you can save it. Again, if you don't remember, share, download, PNG. If you got more than one playlist, you can do more than one slide. That's up to you. That is simple and easy. Now we're going to go into something a little bit more upgraded. Okay, so you see where it says YouTube intro? I'm going to click that because you always don't have to do a video as long as the size is where you want it to be. Okay, so with that being said, we're going to do something that most people don't know about. First, I'm going to go to Elements. I'm going to search love. I'm going to do see all. And I'm going to do, let's see, which love picture. I like this one. This one is cuter. That one. And then we're going to go into a photo. Let's see. Photos. Uploads. Let's just go to uploads because I was going to get some photos from somewhere else. But let's go Delores again because my little cute logo, I just love her. There we go. Background remove. Leave her by herself. Again, we're going to go back up to elements. For those who are like, Delores, you're moving quick. We've talked about this a lot. So we're just going to do this. A true love story never ends. I like that as a quote. Follow your heart, definitely. I'm going to darken these though. I want it to be a little bit darker. And then I think I'll make that a reddish color. This could be follow your heart, okay? It's kind of weird. I love black and pink, so it will fit me, fit it to whoever you want. Let's just do a blue. You know what? I'm going to keep it a dark purplish color. Okay, so let's just say I made this cover, right? I'm going to move this up for the sake of this, okay? So let's just say I have a YouTube song in which I really like. Okay. So what you can do is there is straight up, you can put the link down in there. It'll be clickable if you are emailing this out. Very much clickable. Okay. You also can go to apps. You can type in Canva YouTube. You can click YouTube right here. Go in and you can search YouTube. So I could say Delores 01. Okay. If I wanted to put any one of these videos on here, I could just drag it over. My best suggestion for you is that you copy the links and put them in there. So for instance, we're gonna do the Hit the Ropes podcast. Okay? We're gonna do the Spotify playlist. Okay? And we're gonna go over. We're gonna listen. We're gonna put a link in. I'm gonna paste the link. Okay? Done. So now it's attached to the account. Okay? I also can just paste the link right here. You see how the link appears? It is here. I can click it. It'll take me to my channel, the Hit the Ropes podcast on Spotify. See, look, you can click it. You can interact with it. You can move it around to wherever you want to. It is available. Okay? So if I tested the link, it works. It opens straight to the Hit the Ropes podcast. Okay? So that is one way. With your YouTube, it does the same thing. So let's just say I want to use my channel. Okay? Which is Delores01. If you all are seeing this and like, where can I find her? Delores01 is generally how you find me. So I can copy and paste the link to where I want to be at. go back. I can click edit a link or put the link like I told you before, paste. So as you see, Canva wants you to do the keyboards. So wait as that comes up. See how it comes up down at the bottom? A clickable link for me. Now, a lot of the times, because you can hide these in pictures and different things, that's how I normally do them. You can also take a literal text. Let's do small. Tap it and make it. Let's do Control V. Because I clicked it twice. It's like, ugh. Doesn't want to do it all the time. That's the thing about technology. Sometimes it loves you. Sometimes it loves to be against you. Okay, so let me copy that link for you all to my channel. And then you see how it's like not pasted in there? What you'll do is see when you click it now. So I will put Delores. Okay. So I know Delores is a link that I can click. Okay. So with Delores, you click link, you'll make sure you hit paste. So from now on, when you click Delores, you go straight to my channel. Or if you want this picture to be a link, it can. So it gives you the ability to customize. Again, you can email this out. You can make it as a video. You can add these links into it where they're very customizable, where your loved ones get a sense of, oh, this is music that is accessible, things that are easy to make, but it's customized because I made it from the heart. Okay? And again, that's all we're trying to achieve. Is making sure that we have great customized gifts from the heart. So ladies and gentlemen, today we learn how to do the links. So we can make links out of pictures, words, links out of text that we've typed. We've showed you how to make lists, playlists online. But everybody, if you're a content creator, knows how to make a playlist on YouTube. Same goes for Spotify. You can also make these lists privated and put a cover on the top of it. And that cover was made in the first way that we showed right here. So it makes it more customizable. And plus, I think when you add things that way, it's easy access. Like an email can be deleted, can get lost up in some files, whereas a private link that you send somebody to a playlist that you have made on YouTube or Spotify is something that they can always go back to. Okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, I so much appreciate you coming to learn how to make these wonderful things with me today. Let's get back to the studio. Here I am. I appreciate you on episode 8, ladies and gentlemen, of Delores Loves You, the gift guide to a happy Valentine's Day. But today we made custom covers for playlists and we did the links to make our own playlists if we want to make videos or actual things we can email. This has been a great episode. Short and sweet, but lovely. And again, can't wait. This is 14 days. We're on episode 8. We're almost there, ladies and gentlemen, and we got so much more to learn. So until then, I want to tell you all, peace.